You're probably seeing a lot of videos or reels that actually ask you to do this. Comment something below in the comment sections and I'll send something for you for free. So how do they actually do that? In today's videos, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to automate that process for you on ManyChat. My name is Daniel James. Welcome to my channel. If you're a real estate professional, you already know how important social media is for marketing. But to really make it work is that you actually need to choose the right tools to capture leads while you're sleeping, writing contracts, showing homes, whatever you're doing. I put the ManyChat's link in the description so you can sign up and follow along in this video. So let's dive in. Once you sign up and connected to your Instagram, it should be some page like this. When it says starts here, you can see right away it's called Auto DM Links from Comments. That is exactly what we're going to use today, and then you should be able to connect to your Instagram already so to use this function. So follow along. Once you have that, you click on this. Once you get in, it should be something like this. There is a iPhone looking things right here. You can see the post, comment, and DMs. This is exactly what you need. As you can see, I already have comment Austin to get my free Austin guide reels posted in my Instagram. So what we're going to do is that use this particular reels for that purpose. It's going to be specific post or reel. If you do any post or reels or next post or next reel, it usually doesn't work like that. But obviously you can explore and experiment a little bit. I'll always suggest that you always use this specific post or reel. You can click next. Once you have next, you're asked for a specific word or words. And here, this is what it shows users that actually commented. We can do Austin. Of course, it is not always capitalized. So you can put another comma to separate the words with Austin. Or some people like to have the capital A with Austin. So you have 3 words over here to make sure that it actually matches what you're actually doing. And of course, you can reply to their comments under the post. Thanks, please see DMs, or send you a message, check it out. Nice, check your DMs. This is automatically generated. Obviously, you can change any of these to your liking or to your tone of voice. If you want to add emojis, you can add emoji as well. But that's it. You click next. This is what they will get. When you look at a DM, hey, I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for your interest. Click below and I will send you the link in just a second. So when you have this, instead of just sending, hey, this is the link, this is very important because it allows them to confirm of what they are getting. And you can take a look at this. What does an opening DM do? The opening DM starts with a conversation. It's used by the creators to boost engagement. By clicking the buttons in your opening DMs, people enable two-way conversations with you. It allows you to do so much more than just sending a link with your automation. Basically, this allowed them to opt in into your entire marketing sequences. But today, we're only going to show you guys how to finish up this particular sequence. A DM asking to follow you before they get the link, you can do that. Or a DM asking for their email. You can also do that too. But for me, I actually don't like to have every single one of these. Usually we'll just to use the opening sequence. That's it. I don't ask for a follow or anything else because that's not that important because you can get them while you use another tools to capture those leads. After the opening DMs, you're actually going to send the link right now. After they click, send me the link, right? So you can type in, this is the Austin guide for you. Obviously, you can always do whatever is the best for you. So here's a link. This is a link towards my personal funnels. This is where all these audience or anybody who is interested in getting my link to go through a opt-in form. You can see here right now, you can see Austin guides. They can just click on it. But what it actually look like is that they will get to this page and then click get it for free and they'll enter their name and then email address. Obviously, this can be also customized. It's a very useful tool, so I will actually put the link in the descriptions as well so that you guys can also check it out. It is completely free. And after that is done, you just click go live. Once you go live, when you go into Instagram, you check out the videos that you just link to it. And you'll be able to see how many people click on it. And then you just go on to your Instagram to check out what's going on. So now that's pretty much it. That's all you needed to do to get that auto DMs link set up. That's it. That's today's videos. I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you next one.